Welcome to my channel, Tech Fridays, tips and tricks. Here I sought to give you tricks and tips that you can use with your phone. So today I'm going to take you through screen pinning on the Android phone. So screen pinning allows you to hand over your phone to a friend and be rest assured that they are not going to go around snooping or poking their noses where they are not supposed to. So when you pin an app before handing over the phone to a friend, that friend can only use the app that you've pinned and cannot do anything else apart from using that app. So until you unlock your phone again, the person cannot do anything apart from using the particular app you pinned.
Okay, so to pin a screen, you need to first of all turn on screen pinning. So to turn on screen pinning, you need to go to your settings, then you scroll down until you see security and privacy. From security and privacy, you scroll down so you see screen pinning. Then you turn it on. After turning it on, you just exit out of it. Press the home button. So assuming your friend wants to play music on your phone, to listen to music on your phone. So before handing the phone to your friend, you need to pin the music app for your friend to listen to music, so that apart from listening to the music, he or she cannot do anything else, like go around snooping where they are not supposed to. So to pin an app to your screen, you need to press the overview button, and then from the overview button, you see this is the screen of the music app. So I'm going to go to the overview button again, and I'll just click on the pin icon here. Now my screen is pinned. This keeps this screen in view until you unpin it. So touch and hold back button to unpin. So I press OK to pin it. So now that I've pinned it, I can only be inside this app and listen to music. If I want to go back, I can't exit out of this app. I can't exit to the home screen. I can't do anything else until I unpin it again. And to unpin it, you need to unlock your phone. I'll press on the back button for a while and then it will lock my phone, and I'll unlock it to open it. Now I can exit out of it.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed and you learned something, please subscribe and share my videos.